Hi, I'm the guy who made the anime intro for anime.tv. Okay, not really, but on a real note though, anime producers, your videos have that delay thing going on, and yeah, boy's a professional editor now, so hit me up. Today I decided to recreate this amazing logo and its intro. Also, I'm no graphic designer, I'm trying to, but this video was made for future me, who's hopefully a professional graphic designer by then, and if it does happen, hey future me, Making a logo is harder than it looks, especially when the only words that come up to you when trying to make a related logo is anime, heaven, and hentai. My favorite type of logos are the one that has both typography and object in them. Prime example would be the PES logo. It's got the letters P, E and S, and they combine together to get the trophy image. But it's kinda hard to make one when your words are heaven, anime and fucking hentai. My second favorite logo type is the animal design. Best example would be Wolves, Thai F18 and Ferrari. But once again, it's hard to make one when the words are not so great. Yes, I could dig deeper into the words, but the problem is where. With anime there's almost non-existence. With heaven, I don't even know what that means. And well, hentai I guess does have few, but it's an R18, so no thank you. At the end of the day, I decided to just make the shape as heaven, but instead of the HH, it's my name, which led me to another problem. A and Z do not match. Bruh. But lucky enough, A, Z and W do, so that's what I went with. I opened Illustrator, but then I came up with crueling realizations. 1. This is a terrible video idea. 2. I'm very rusty at Illustrator because it's been about 3 months since I've touched this thing. And 3. That logo is actually giving me 8. Making the layout was very simple. Just make one corner higher than the other and done. You have a, I don't know, like fucking shapey thing. Add a little bit of strokes, just a little bit, you don't want to put too much. And there we have the lightning logo, aka the HH logo. With the red bits, I decided to do number 4 on both sides, so when they combine, it would make Z, W, and a shaky A. I know. It's impossible to put an A on a. How do you put an A on a lightning? It's impossible. Unlike anime intro, hentai heaven has the fire effect, so I had to rewatch the intro a couple of times to find the same fire effects, but then I realized few things. 1. If the fire effect is available, I want the editing software what they're editing the green screen, because if you've edited at least for 2 years, you know fire and green screen do not work. The second thing, I found out that the fire animation was man-made. Or woman. Equality. I don't even know. So which led me to do a lot of research on how to make your own fire effects, but that would take way too long and we're making a budget version of the intro. Other than the fire effects, everything else was easy to do. The iconic sound, the logo pop, the logo turning red and normal, the text. There were also one effect that my 2000 hours of editing couldn't explain, and that's when the logo pops up. Usually I immediately know what effects YouTubers use when they do like a sick transitions and effects, and I don't even know what they do these days, but hey. But this effect, I had no idea what it was. So I decided to call the effect the Thanos effect, but reverse. Holy shit, how I just realized that is the worst name I could have ever given. But the only way to do the effect is via After Effects, so I gave up and just put on the wavy thing and done. I put on some text and some fire effects, and there you have it, the low budget version of Hentai Heaven intro. But to me, it was missing something very special, a unique sound. A unique sound that you can actually recreate, not just noise. So I went on and added this sound effect in the middle of the intro, and now I would call it the perfect intro. Now most people don't know me, but I don't just make one versions. I make 2. Yes, I went out of my way to make a meme version of the HH intro. I don't know why, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Here's the end project. Peace out.
あらあら。